What's going on YouTube? My name is Make Money Malik and I'm here to teach you how to make money online. Now, before we get into this video, what I need you to do is I need you to like this video. I need you to ring the notification bell and I need you to subscribe to the channel. This is a channel dedicated to helping people like you, online entrepreneurs, to make a full business online, okay? I make videos teaching you how to make money, all right? From the comfort of your home, from the comfort of your own computer, from the comfort of your own phone. We go over apps, we go over websites, we go over business models, and this is all for you, me trying to make sure that you have the lucrative lifestyle that you deserve to live. So if you want to be notified every single time I come out with a new video and give you folks some new information or a way that I found that you can make money on the internet. Now today we are going to talk about a way that you can make $600 for free just by, well, I'll tell you how to do that in a second. But today we're going to go through a couple of those ways, okay? I'm going to save the $600 way all the way into the end of the video so it gives you some time and realization to kind of ease into it. I don't want to shock you all right off of the bat. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you 3 apps in total, okay? These are all applications. These are all things you can do from the comfort of your own phone. All you need is an internet connection or a data plan, and you should be set to go. I'm going to show you one app that's going to pay you a little bit of money. I'm going to show you another app that's going to pay you a decent amount of money. And then I'm going to show you the last app that's going to pay you all the way up to $600. Now, if you stay until the very, very, very end of the video, even after I've shown you the third app, what you can also get is my #1 recommendation for making money online. Okay. I can show you that. I can give that to you. I can make sure that you have a long-term business set in place so you can make money for as long as you possibly can on the internet and live the lifestyle that you want to live. No one wants to, clock in every day and, have a boring job experience. No, you want to be able to make money. You want money to be able to come to you. And that's what we're going to do today. Today, we're working on money that's going to come to you. You're not going to have to do anything. When I say anything, I mean absolutely anything. You're just going to sit back, relax, and watch the coins come on in. All right. So let's get into the first application. The first application we're going to look into is Money SMS. Money SMS is an application that generates money for you just by reading text messages, okay? So if you get a text message from these folks and you open it and you allow them to send you SMS messages, then you will receive money for that. Now, I know this is not a U.S. money sign. Don't worry. If you are in the U.S., you can still have this app, okay? It's just these folks are based in another country, okay? But it doesn't prevent you from generating money off of that, okay? So money is free. Money SMS is a free Android app which allows you to make money online automatically from your phone by receiving SMS. Now, yes, unfortunately, this is only a Android app, okay? Apple does not allow you it doesn't allow any third parties to read text messages. The way the permissions are set up, they won't allow for this to happen. So if you are a Apple user, this app will not be for you. If you are an Android user, this is very beneficial for you, and this is the one time probably in your entire Android life that you will have the one up on the Apple users, okay? Android, Google is open source, so they can do whatever it is they would like to do. You can customize your experiences and things like that. You can take away permissions, you can add permissions. It's a whole thing. So unfortunately, you can't do that with Apple yet. Maybe in the future you'll be able to, but this is a Android only money-making app. But everything is automatic. You don't have to worry about anything. You can set your permissions the way you want to. They just send you text messages and you can take that money out whenever you want, okay? You just go download the app. All you have to do is go to moneysmsapp.com and that will definitely work for you. You want to get a PayPal account. They pay through PayPal. PayPal is going to be your best friend for all of these applications that we're going to go over today. So I strongly suggest that you get on top of that. Right now, it's 100% free. You do not have to have any credit or you don't have to have any background check for you. You can just sign up for a PayPal account. All you need is an email address and you will be A-okay, okay? There's another way to make money on this particular app, and that's through the referral program. So if you download the app and you start using it, and then you refer the app to a friend or someone you know, and they start using it, you actually get a kickback. You get a commission, a percentage of what they're doing on their phone. You can get that for yourself. So that's actually a way you can diversify the income here. Okay, so you can get the money and get the SMS messages sent to you. SMS just means text messages for anyone wondering. You can get that money sent to you. But then you can also join the referral program, and you can have the money that's your money and also their money as well. All right. Now, I'm going to show you another website. This is called Cash Magnet. Okay. Cash Magnet is also another Android-only device. So, Apple users, don't worry. We're going to get to you. I promise. Thankfully, there is a way that you can make a whole lot of money still being an Apple phone user. Okay. The reason that most of these are only Android is because Android is open source. Apple does not allow particular or certain permissions on their app. So that's the only downfall. But so we're going to look at Cash Magnet, and Cash Magnet is an application that pays you to do nothing. It pays you to do absolutely nothing. All you have to do is have the app on your phone, and while you're, dialing, or while you're just relaxing or talking to a friend while you're sleeping, you just earn money. That is all that you do. A lot of these apps, they require you to watch a video, or they require you to download, this software, keep it on your phone for X amount of days. They just have tasks for you to complete. This is the opposite of that. This kills all of that noise, okay? All you have to do is install it on your phone, and then money just shows up, and you can take all the money from PayPal that you make. PayPal, that's how they pay you, through PayPal. They also give you gift cards and things like that. But as long as you have at least $1 or $2 in your PayPal account, all you have to do is take that out. It's easy as pie. You don't have to worry about that. All right. So I suggest you get this application as well. This is what's good for you. Cash Magnet, again, only Android phone users are going to be able to allow this. Now, if you want to make, more money, what you would do is you would take Cash Magnet and you would take Money SMS, and you would do it that way. Now, the idea is maybe you don't want all of these notifications coming in on your phone. If you have a separate device, if you have a device that you don't use anymore, like a tablet or another older phone that still, can connect to the Wi-Fi in your house, just leave the phone on. Just download all of this stuff on a separate phone device and collect all the information that way. That's definitely a way you can go about this. We're going to go to the last and final app I'm going to show you. Okay, this is the grand finale. This is what you've all been waiting for. Okay. Here it is, current.us. This is where you can make up to $600, okay? All you have to do is listen to music. You download this app. This app tells you all the music that you should be listening to, okay? And it pays you for it. It just pays you for it. It's kind of like the Pandora, but Pandora doesn't pay you. This one does, okay? You earn your points, and you can, take your points out whenever you like. That's all that it is. All you have to do is follow the guidelines, listen to the rules. Current is the way to go. I mean, you listen to music all day, every day. You listen to music on your way to work. You listen to music in the house, when you're out with friends, in the car, all of the things, all right? So why not monetize that? Why not monetize the normal way you go about living life? Okay, it just makes sense to me. It really does just make sense to me. So those are the 3 apps. But if you made it this far in the video, you're in luck, because I'm going to tell you what my number 1 way of actually making money online is. And for that information, all you have to do is click the link in my description, the very first link in my description, and that's going to take you to what I believe is the best business model for making money online. Okay, now you can do that, and it's going to take you to that location, and it's only for people who are true entrepreneurs. It's going to take some time. It's going to take some work, but honestly, it's so worth it. You have to invest in yourself sometimes, and if you are going to invest in yourself at any time, now is it. You've watched this entire video. You're obviously dedicated. You're obviously trying to figure out how you're going to put things together, how you're going to make it work, and I'm telling you, that first link in my description is going to take you there. It's going to make sure you have the life that you want to live, and it's going to be phenomenal and great for you. But you have to be a go-getter, you have to be an entrepreneur, and you have to have a business mindset, okay? Business mindset. My name is Make Money Malik. Please be sure to like this video, ring that notification bell, and subscribe to the channel. I'm dropping videos, making sure that you know how you can generate a full-time income online. The #1 way is the link in that description. I'll see you next time. Peace.